way this morning is going to work is we are going to divide into groups of around 8 per group across a range of different skills, and you'll walk up to the hall that's named with that particular tutor.
This weekend we're in Cloughjordan, County Tipperary. This is the second Irish Youth Circus Gathering. We're staying at the wonderful Django's Hostel, and we're really getting heavily involved in the Cloughjordan community. They have totally embraced 40 young people from across Ireland coming here to spend time in their wonderful village for 2.5 days. We know we're here to put on a performance this evening for the local community, but it's about much more than that. It's about young people making connections with each other. We're looking for more opportunities to connect with the circus community across Ireland, and the Irish Youth Circus Gathering gives us an opportunity to network, to make friends and to make lifelong friendships.
It's mostly younger people, but they all get along well because we all have a common interest. I know it's not like more people would play sport or something than do circus, but like you can go anywhere in the world and just like go on the street and perform this and people will stop and watch. I think that's pretty cool. So,
you know, they get to express themselves in so many different ways, and because circus has so much variety, then there's definitely something there for each one of them. And they might be, one person might love unicycling and hate juggling and vice versa, but they get to still be in the same place together and express. I think self-expression is a big part of it.
Well, you just get to meet loads of other people who like the same things as you do, because at home not everyone knows about circus. I mean, I don't know anybody from my school who goes to circus, and now I have a lot more friends who do circus and are in various circuses across Ireland, so that's fun. Well, I like learning the skills because it's kind of a cool party piece and the shows, they're always, because you get to then put in lots of time, and then at the end you get to show it. It's kind of probably why I find it so good, because you get to see the fruits of your efforts with your friends.
I think they obviously have a passion for circus. They have a passion for learning, and circus is a little bit different than every other activity that's out there. It's not football, it's not GAA, it's not hockey, it's not camogie. It's something different that is totally inclusive and is open to every single person. You may well be a sports person, you may be an academic. No matter what your background or where your interest lies, circus really brings everyone together.